So I wanted to give you another little tour of Canvas so you can see what I've added. So this is the home page that you get to every time you come to the Canvas course. And then I'm adding buttons each week so that you can jump right to this week's module. So that will take you to the week 6 module. And I want to show you what I've made available in the week 6 module. So you have your quick quizzes as always, and these will show up on the calendar and in your to-do list. And then you have the Shine quiz, which also will show up on the calendar and to-do list. Then the discussion post, only the original reply will show up on the Wednesday to-do list or calendar. The respond to classmates by Sunday, you have to remember to do that. I can't put two different due dates on the same assignment. And then your journal is also on the calendar and the to-do list. So I have reminders here of which are the Newton sections that are due on Monday and which are the Newton sections that are due on Thursday. And then here I have a little what's called a crosswalk in Educationese, where the Newton sections 7.1 and 7.2 correspond to the Sullivan textbook that we used a couple years ago, section 1.3, and to your OpenStax free textbook, section 2.4. So I've made a link right here for you if you want to jump to the textbook, the free textbook, and look there. I have a video from when we previously used the Sullivan textbook with notes that go along with it. So these are fill in the blank notes that go with this video. So you may find that helpful. Then Newton sections 8.1 and 8.2 were in the Sullivan textbook in 1.2, and they're in the OpenStax text 2.5. So here's a link to the free textbook. Here is the video that I made when we used the Sullivan text, and then the fill in the blank notes that goes along with the video. And then the same thing for 8.3, 8.4, and then I'll fix this, but it's supposed to be 9.1. So then I have the OpenStax textbook link, the video, that's the Sullivan text actually, but college algebra is college algebra, and then the fill in the blank notes that go with the Sullivan video. So let me know if there's anything else at all that I can put in the module to be helpful for you. So let me strongly encourage you to come to the module and see all the resources that I've made available rather than going right to the calendar or the to-do list, because then you don't see all these other useful helpful links that I've made available to you. And then I just want to remind you again that here is your past peer tutor. I made a button and a page for her. And Lynette is super helpful. Her name is Lynette Sawyer. She took Math 12 from me, and she's tutored for me for 2 previous semesters, so she's really good at tutoring for me. She knows what I think is important. She knows how I like things done. She knows how I explain things, but she knows other ways to explain things. So there's lots of ways she can help you. She is doing group tutoring times for our class only on Mondays and Wednesdays in the afternoon. And then she's also scheduled to be a tutor in the algebra lab. And so if you go to the algebra lab during one of her shifts, which you can see she's actually in there for quite a few hours, then she's available there also. There are other tutors too, and so you might even find another tutor that you click with even better. So if you go to this Zoom link, it takes you to the algebra lab, and then you can request Lynette or have another tutor. So please take advantage of all these awesome resources.